Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming the present service tag and gathering authorization if warranty ties exist. Once ready, reboot and press F2 or FN plus F2 right after power up to enter BIOS. Do this now. In BIOS, navigate to the System Information or Asset Tag field. You'll see the editable entry for many models. Make sure your laptop is on AC power and that you record the original tag. Changing here is direct. You're starting inside firmware, so changes persist across reinstalls and OS updates. Once in the BIOS System Information screen, select the Asset or Service Tag field and type the new tag precisely. Case and digits matter. Then choose Save and Exit so BIOS writes the new value to NVRAM. If the BIOS is locked or the field is grayed out, use Dell tools. Boot into Windows and run Dell Command Update or Support Assist. These utilities can push an updated tag or enable firmware editing. Make sure to run them as administrator and reboot after utility completes to apply changes. You finish by rebooting and checking the service tag both in BIOS and in Windows System Information so you confirm success. If the tag didn't update, clear NVRAM/CMOS per model instructions, retry the BIOS edit, and ensure you used administrative tools in the OS. One key troubleshooting tip: if the firmware refuses changes, contact Dell support with ownership proof. Manufacturer-side locking or asset management policies can prevent edits, and they can apply the corrected tag for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.